Amid intensifying competition in Formula One, a major development has emerged from Scuderia Ferrari that could reshape the competitive order this season. Their latest car, the SF-26, is not just receiving minor updates. It is undergoing a near-complete transformation across multiple technical areas. A crucial test at Autodromo Nazionale Monza will serve as a key moment to determine whether this development direction can truly put Ferrari back on the path to victory. However, behind Ferrari's ambitious push, pressure is mounting from their main rivals. The team principal of Mercedes-AMG Petronas Formula One team, Toto Wolff, has openly voiced sharp criticism regarding potential technical advantages Ferrari could gain through certain regulations. This situation has sparked fresh tension, not only about on-track performance, but also about strategy, regulations, and the politics behind the scenes. So, will the massive SF-26 upgrade truly mark Ferrari's turning point, or will it instead ignite controversy that could alter the course of the championship? Let's discuss. Following an unexpected break, Formula One teams used the time to deepen their understanding of their technical packages. Ferrari has been among the most aggressive in capitalising on this opportunity. The SF-26 is scheduled to return to the track at Monza for a 200-kilometre filming day session, an important chance to gather aerodynamic data and test engine performance at one of the most demanding circuits on the F1 calendar. The SF-26, set to appear in the upcoming sprint events in Miami and Montreal, represents the result of a major development consolidation. Previously, updates were planned to be introduced gradually across several races such as Bahrain. However, the cancellation of certain rounds led Ferrari to combine all upgrades into a single comprehensive package, described as 1.5 packages by team principal Frédéric Vasseur. From a technical standpoint, significant changes can be seen in the car's floor area, now featuring a new specification after undergoing extensive refinements at both the front and rear. This development is aimed at improving airflow efficiency beneath the car, key to generating optimal downforce without excessive drag. Interestingly, Ferrari has retained the main bodywork, considering it already highly efficient and not requiring a major conceptual overhaul. This approach highlights the team's preference for targeted evolution rather than a high-risk design revolution. In addition, Ferrari has prepared an alternative engine cover option with a more robust and flexible cooling system, particularly suited for high-temperature race conditions or circuits that demand stricter thermal management. The primary development focus has indeed been directed toward the rear of the car, a crucial area in determining overall performance balance. The engineering team is working to increase downforce more efficiently, without sacrificing straight-line speed, through refinements in complex aerodynamic zones such as the diffuser and airflow around the rear wheels. Moreover, small carbon fibre components have been added with precision to optimize performance while keeping weight minimal and within regulatory limits. These fine details often make the difference at the highest level of competition, where even the smallest improvement can have a significant impact on lap times and overall consistency. One of the most striking upgrades on the SF-26 lies in the introduction of a completely redesigned front wing. While the central structure has been retained to preserve the car's baseline stability, significant changes have been made to the flap elements, main profile, and end plates. These revisions are designed to optimize airflow management around the front wheels, a critical area that greatly influences overall aerodynamic efficiency. With cleaner and more controlled airflow, Ferrari hopes to improve the car's balance, particularly in high-speed corners and during braking phases. On the other hand, the rear section has not been overlooked in this round of key developments. Ferrari has introduced the latest evolution of its rear wing, known as the Macarena. This new version is specifically designed to significantly boost top speed on the straights without sacrificing stability or drag efficiency, areas that had previously been identified as weaknesses. If successful, this upgrade could prove crucial on high-speed circuits such as Monza. Ferrari has not limited its efforts to aerodynamics alone. The team has also optimized its hydraulic system to improve operational efficiency while reducing the car's overall weight. This step is particularly critical, as the SF-26 is now estimated to be below the minimum weight limit set by the regulations. This advantage is projected to deliver a performance gain of around 1/10 of a second per lap, a margin that may seem small, but in the ultra-competitive world of Formula One, it can be the difference between leading the race and missing out on a podium. During the testing session at Monza, Charles Leclerc is scheduled to be the first driver to push the car over a distance of 100 kilometres. He will then hand over driving duties to Lewis Hamilton, who will provide comparative data and additional feedback. Both drivers will continue the evaluation process in the simulator the following day, ensuring that every aspect of this upgrade package is thoroughly analysed and translated into tangible, on-track performance gains. Meanwhile, a major debate is beginning to emerge regarding the ADUO regulation, a mechanism designed to allow engine manufacturers that are lagging behind to carry out additional development. Toto Wolff emphasised that the system was intended to close performance gaps, not to serve as a shortcut for surpassing already competitive rivals. He stressed that the essence of the regulation is to maintain balance, not to create new dominance. According to Wolff, only one engine manufacturer is currently facing significant difficulties, while the others remain at a relatively balanced level of performance. He also warned that any decisions made by the Fédération Internationale de l'Automobile, FIA, must be transparent and based on clear data, as a lack of openness could disrupt the competitive balance that has been carefully built. These remarks indirectly point towards Scuderia Ferrari, which is known to be developing a new power unit and showing strong confidence in exploiting potential regulatory grey areas. On the other side, the Mercedes-AMG Petronas Formula One team has openly pressured the FIA to remain consistent in upholding the integrity of the rules, ensuring that all teams compete within a fair and equal regulatory framework without excessive advantages. With all the recent developments, one thing is becoming increasingly clear. The development war in this Formula One season has only just entered its true phase. Every team is now deploying its best resources to find even the smallest edge that could deliver a competitive advantage. In this context, the Monza test is far more than a routine session. It is a crucial moment that could provide early indications of whether Ferrari has truly found the right development direction to return to the front. Beyond that, the results of this test will also serve as a key indicator of the effectiveness of the major upgrade package prepared for the SF-26. If successful, Ferrari could not only close the gap, but also send a strong message to its rivals that it is ready to re-establish itself as a dominant force. The question now is, will the SF-26's massive upgrade package be enough to bring Ferrari back to a position of dominance? Or will the combined pressure from rivals and regulatory limitations prove to be their biggest challenge throughout the season? Share your thoughts below.